What's going on, Hamm fam? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time watching this video. We have the truck in the shop right now, and we're about to start disassembling part 1 of the fender install. So, we're going to do these front fenders. Going to go ahead and disassemble the driver's side at least, and then hopefully the passenger side, as well as take the headlights out and go ahead and have the headlights on the ground ready to go. To start getting dremeled on, or these, so I can clear these, excuse me. But anyways, pretty self-explanatory. There is plenty of YouTube videos of disassembling fenders. So it's basically going to be these 3 bolts right here. There's a bolt behind there. Take the door, open it halfway. There's a bolt up here. I think one down there. I know there's one at the very bottom. You have to take this little mini flare off. Peel this shroud piece back, and then, or this bumper trim piece, and then, and then after you get all that out, you have to start heating up this body glue right here, panel bond or whatever, and then kind of chiseling it away with a pry tool or something, just so it can separate from the panel from the fender, if that makes sense. But anyways, we're going to start disassembling the driver's side. It is a little chilly tonight, so I'm not sure how cold or how hard this is going to be to disassemble the body panel glue, but we'll give it a shot and see what happens. One up here under this plastic piece. You gotta lift it up a little bit. Now let's find some self-tanner. No, let's find the 3 hidden bolts into the door. Alright, so there's not much trimming to be required. Honestly, the headlights and stuff fit pretty dang perfect. And the hood does as well. I'm just going to try and get a little bit over right here so I can get all these stock mounting holes drilled. Like I said, the headlights look... So this looks good. All right. that looks good. That looks pretty damn good. I mean, that is my first time ever doing something like that. Let's see if the door shuts without cracking anything. All right. God, bro, this thing's wide. Oh my god, it's gonna look so good with the bedsides on. And then obviously we're gonna bed line all this, and then the new bed, or excuse me, the inside of the bed, because it just has the drop-in craft right now. But holy moly, I can't even believe we finally, it's finally happening, boys. Oh my god, look at the inside too, with the Raptor hood. I mean that looks sick. The little vents. Oh! I'm excited. Well, there you have it. I'm about to wash it up and head to the gym, test fit these panels out, but that would be it, boys and girls. These are the Liberty +6 +3 rise fenders. Alright, it is a few days past. I got one bedside done. I'm going to record the process of doing the driver's side bedside, because this one, I mean, it was a learning curve and I never had done that. So, yeah, that's that. But now I'm going to be working on this driver's side. Basically, what we're going to be doing is, I have a rivet extractor tool right there, if you can see it, but it's kind of already gotten dulled down from just doing this, and I got this one kind of mocked up good. I think all I got to do is trim a little bit back there to push it forward slightly, so that way this right here can come over the lip right here, and I'm gonna have to notch it out just about, you know, yay much, or excuse me, just notch it about yay much so it can sit flush right here, so I can you know, get a self tapper right here for now, get it kind of where I need it, and then I'll be able to pop some rivets in here. You know, you just drill through here, drill through the aluminum, and then rivet it. And then I got some body filler or sealer. I'm gonna be taking this little piece off right here. I got some GM AC Delco body sealer or body panel, and then I'm gonna be, you know, lining the sides of that up just so I can get a little more sturdiness out of it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to come in here and get a bracket or something, probably like an L bracket, and then put it to here, I'm assuming, and then that would be pretty good right on all this. And then, yeah, this should be pretty sturdy, because that's gonna be, like I said, all up on this. So that's nice. Fuel neck should fit back. Might have to get an extension. And I'm gonna have to Dremel out some more of the taillight stuff here in a second, but I'm not gonna show you that because my memory cards are getting a little low. But I'm gonna show you when I, you know, obviously get everything done and put on the truck, but everything else is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna panel bond all this stuff, rivet it on the back, and then I'm gonna put the tailgate on to see if everything fits before I start riveting, because everything else has the exact same measurements. I got a little happy right here, and I was supposed to only cut the bottom, but my dumbass cut this too, so I'm gonna have to fill that. Didn't even do that on that side, so I don't know why I did that. But anyways, gonna come over here, get everything done. Everything has the exact same measurements basically, so that's pretty good. I just have to get the tail lights fitting, and then that's the last step before riveting all this. So I'll pick you guys up once everything's kind of on there, and then record the process of fitting it on the truck. All right, I got the fenders on, and I got them riveted, and not looking too bad. Gonna have to have some body work around these right here. I tried to shave down as much as possible. Headlights are on. But yeah, gonna have to shave down those, get some body work, tighten that up, or get some grommets or something. But rear bumper didn't fit. Gonna have to get one of those. Probably worry about that after paint. Really not too worried about it. Just chop the exhaust off. Gonna have to lower the rear. But yeah, this is the fitment. Everything's pretty solid. The tailgate fit pretty good. I'm gonna have to have some body work right there. Yeah, overall, pretty decent, difficult job. Decently difficult, excuse me. Had to shave down this side as well. This side's touching a little bit. Yeah, but other than that, looks really well. I'm ready to get the suspension on and get it painted, and I'd be super stoked with this. But yeah, so these are, like I said, the 6-inch DeBerti Fiberwerx fenders. They're +3 rise and +6. So this is the look of it. This is the Platy runner. Single-handedly ruining my Platinum F150. But I'm gonna have massage seats and a Prerunner, so who can you say has that? I don't think many, you know what I'm saying? Not many, but I'm so freaking stoked. I've been wanting to do this for so long, and it's finally coming together. I'm gonna have someone cut this off about right here and body work or fill this in right here. But yeah, it's looking real nice, boys and girls. If you did enjoy today's video and you learned a little bit, because I learned a lot, be sure to smash that like and thumbs up button, same thing, and make sure you subscribe to stay up to date and to get some more updates on this. We're gonna be slowly building it. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. And I don't know why my lights do that. It's because I have the wrong headlights in here. They're supposed to be for halogen, and I have a $200 adapter I bought from eBay to reduce it from LED to halogen, and it always does that sometimes. So don't judge that. Don't judge that. But anyways, I'm gonna give you some B-roll, and like I said, guys, make sure you smash that like, thumbs up, and subscribe for up-to-date content on this thing. It is gonna be coming together very soon. As soon as the taxes get back, we're gonna be completing this thing, and I am so stoked. It's gonna be one of a kind around here for sure. Just be ready, you know what I'm saying? But peace.
I need the ice and the cream. Kicking shit, need a car, Billie Jean. Saying gang come with a gloss to the beans. I be high and I'm fine on the scene. Money bulging and buzz out of jeans. Man, I need me a fat ass squeeze. Hold a piggy, I'm sipping my lean. And baby, it is what it seems. I'm on a whole nother level for sure. MMA like I'm hitting them with elbow. They be snitching and bitching, I know that they told. They be breaking the code, man, it's all about the bro. But I'm not in the game, I can't fuck with the hoe. When I hop on the stage, they be ripping my clothes. We gon' fucking record it.